Hey friends, welcome back and thanks for watching. Today I have my Mother's Day gift guide coming your way. Some things I can link, some things I can't, like quality time. Obviously can't link that for y'all. But we will be discussing all of the things that your mother will love for Mother's Day. I will have them numbered up on screen and linked in the description bar below. And we'll go ahead and get started with the things that I can link, because if you're watching this, you probably are stumped on ideas. And number one is this stunning necklace that I am wearing right now. I think butterflies are a symbol of, it's not a symbol of like death, but it's a symbol of like remembering someone. I can't quite remember what it is, but anytime I actually see a butterfly, it just makes me think of my Nana. I don't quite know why. It just randomly started after she died. And Kendra Scott has a lot of beautiful jewelry, and this necklace is from their new summer collection and I just love it. Also, Kendra Scott is great at having like dates listed on their website. Like if you buy by this date, you need to pay for this kind of shipping to get it in time for Mother's Day, or you're still in the clear for regular shipping. So I love Kendra Scott. Y'all know my love for them runs truly very deep. Woman-owned business. They partner with tons of charities, so you really can't go wrong. But I love this necklace. There are some beautiful earrings that they just dropped, rings. I'm wearing 3 Kendra Scott bracelets now. I mean, I just adore her and her stuff. So necklace I'm wearing is what's going to be linked, but you can't really go wrong with any of her stuff. Number 2, oh my gosh, please don't dismiss a good pair of sneakers. First and foremost, I am all about a good pair of Hokas. These are the most comfortable shoes on the market, and I find myself really gravitating towards the bright colors this year. I have never received so many compliments on a pair of sneakers in my life, and I find myself like not wearing other outfits now because I'm like, oh, this doesn't really match my Hokas and I want to wear those. So these are favorites of mine. I mean, they're just so nice. And I do have a pair of pink ones that I wear when I'm working out, but I don't love to mix out like workout shoes with athleisure, like shoes I'm just wearing out and about. But these are amazing and they're so comfortable, so your mom will definitely love them. The only thing is sizing. What you can do if you can get access to her shoes, get your dad to get access to her shoes. They have a quiz on their website, which I'm so grateful for, because I would have probably just by the appearance of these ordered my true size or even gone down, and I ordered a 10 and they fit perfect. And that's because they have a quiz and it's like, you know, what size do you wear in this brand? What size do you wear in this brand? And it told me 10. So maybe if you know your mom's like a sneakerhead or something, get your dad to run in there, check out what sizes she has, and then take the quiz so you can make sure the shoes will fit her. But so amazing. Best sneakers for just the most comfortable wear. Y'all also know my love for cups runs deep. I love them. I usually have like 2 cups running at any point in time, one with my Trim Fit in it and one that's just water. So I have a lot of cups, but Stanley came out with a Mother's Day collection and I got some of these for gifts, not necessarily for Mother's Day. I did also get my mom the Mother's Day cup in white, but I just love the floral detail. I feel like it's so pretty, and these are probably limited edition. I believe they've said they are, but I mean, just how gorgeous. They have white, this color, and pink. I don't think there's any more than that, but they do have them in the traditional like 40 ounce, 30 ounce cups. I don't understand people who complain about cups. They're like, they're just dumb. It's like, okay, it's a cup. It's not hurting you. Mind your business. We cup lovers. I've been a cup lover long before Stanley, if you've watched my channel since then. And I will be a cup lover till the end of time. Honestly, like I love them. Now, this is not something that I personally have. I saw it came out, I believe recently, like this year. It was a Mother's Day launch, but I have a couple Anthro mugs that look brand new and I've had them for years and years. And I was so afraid of how, like, it's not metallic, but the shine on it was going to look. They're gorgeous. So it is a mom coffee cup and it is so cute. Honestly, these coffee cups are just like a normal size, and they just look really cute. I will say though, I heard a guy on TikTok say this the other day and I kind of agree. He was like, unless this woman that you're buying a gift for had a kid in 5 or less years, like their youngest kid is either 5 or younger, or it's like specific to a sport, they were like, please don't get moms something that says mom on it. Like, I totally agree. My kids are young, so I love all the mom stuff. But like, I remember in high school, boys' moms wear like baseball mom shirts or like basketball mom shirts. So those are more acceptable. But yeah, I don't know if a mom who has a 10-year-old would want a mom mug. Maybe she does. It just depends on each woman, but I think they're so cute. My favorite perfume of all time. I cannot go without this. I mean, every single day. You guys can see It's right here. I spray 3 sprays once a day and it just makes you smell so good. This is number 62, but honestly, any of their scents are nice. This is just my favorite because it is pistachio and salted caramel and you smell like you just got off the beach. The body wash, the lotion, the body spray, it does not matter what you get. If it is number 62, oh, so nice. So this is a great summer scent, which would also, I think, make it a great Mother's Day gift. This is the mom bag of all mom bags. It definitely gives off gym bag vibes, which I think it was made to be a gym bag, and I totally think it would be good for that. But this is like the best mom bag. I see women all over TikTok, all over Instagram carrying it, and I finally grabbed it and I was like, oh yeah, nope, this is incredible. It is like Mary Poppins bag. It can hold everything plus the kitchen sink and it does not get heavy. Just the way that the weight is distributed. I mean, this thing is like so full and it's just nice because I don't always carry diaper bags. Like I don't feel like I need all that stuff. Honestly, my kids are 2 and 9 months old and we're about to start potty training Ezra. Like I need a couple diapers and some wipes and like a bib. I really don't ever need anything more than that. And if I do, I usually keep it in my car. However, it all fits in here really nicely in addition to my regular first stuff. So I used to not be a tote girl, but I am now. I absolutely love these. And I will say the Amazon version of that, I've seen people be like, oh, it's so good. And then I'll look and they don't have the Free People version. Y'all know I love a good look for less. The Amazon one does not measure up. That one is worth every penny. And the Amazon one, when I got it in, I was very disappointed in the quality. And then you guys know, I mean, I can't go without this thing. The cutest mug. This says Ezra and Roman's mommy. I do wish I would have been a little bit more specific about the faces just because this is Roman and that's Ezra and their names are reversed. It doesn't really matter. I know my kids, but I love these and I believe that this lady still ships next day. So as long as you place the order and then immediately go to like contact seller after you place the order and immediately send her the picture that you want to use, make sure it's a relatively close-up clear image of a kid, then she's gonna get this shipped out next day. If you do have to wait for her to message you and then you send it back, it may not be next day, but I still couldn't see it being any less than 2 days. So you're gonna get this on time for Mother's Day, but I've got my mom one of these. I got my dad one of these for Christmas. I'm planning on getting Sam another one for Father's Day because Ezra got a hold of his while trying to help unload the dishwasher and broke it. But you really can't go wrong with these adorable little face mugs, and the fact that they ship out next day is really nice. So some of the gifts that cannot be bought, but can, like they just can't be bought through my links. A massage. Now, I don't recommend getting a gift card for a massage. What I recommend doing is going, hi, I got you a massage booked for this afternoon. Now this is for the dads. Like you're keeping the kids, you're, responsible for all the meals, all the everything. So she's not doing that. Hey, I got you a massage booked today. You do kind of have to know their schedule, but I find that when you give those gift cards, they tend to get pushed and pushed. No, I don't have free time. I don't have this. I booked you a massage. 1:15, go. That is like an amazing, amazing gift. Breakfast in bed is always a winner. Now I don't eat in bed, but if someone does, or even if it's just like calm and peace and just like breakfast, it's like hot. And personally, I love my children, but they always are going, whenever they're around me and I'm eating and I'm like, hi, this is my food. So like maybe bring mom some food and then take the kids and walk out. You know what I mean? She's gonna get a hot meal to herself and quiet. That can be really nice sometimes. Another gift you can buy, flowers. I feel like the older that I've gotten, the more flowers are like truly my love language. I love to send people flowers. It is something that I have done a lot, so much recently, like especially in the last, I would say 6 to 8 months. Like I send everybody flowers all the time for things that are happening in their life. And I love receiving flowers. So having a delivery shop is definitely different than like going to the store. You can go to the store and grab flowers, but honestly, I find that when you have them delivered, like you send me flowers, they last for weeks and weeks and weeks. So they're just beautiful, but that is specific to the person. Personally, I love receiving flower deliveries, and I know my mom does too. So that is a great, great gift. And then finally, the one that I actually think I'm gonna ask for this year is just a picnic. I love just quality time with my kids. And again, like, yes, they're walking around and they've got their little mouths open anytime I'm eating or drinking something, but I just love spending time with my kids, and it just makes Mother's Day what it is. I have these precious little blessings that are walking up to me with their mouths open because I'm a mom and I'm their mom, and it just, I always get so emotional on Mother's Day because I'm just so thankful to be those boys' mamas. Like, it's the best thing ever. So I hope that this kind of helped you guys kind of narrow down some gift ideas, gave you some things to buy, but also some experiences you can of course combine. But regardless, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you're new here. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.